All right, so for this one, we're going to start with a minor chord and a reggae strum pattern. So you're going to start with your index finger just barred across the D, the G, and the B string in the 9th fret, okay? Now you're going to add your ring finger here on the 11th fret of the D. Now you're going to focus your strum on the D, the G, and the B string, okay? So that's your first chord. Now we're just going to do mostly down strums for this, but on the offbeats, and that's what makes up a reggae strum pattern. So you got 1 and, okay, 1 and all together 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay. So that's your first chord, 1 and. Now for 2 and, you're just going to take your ring finger off, and that's your voicing. D, G, and B again. So 2 and. So you got 1 and 2 and. Okay. Now we got to do a little minor, another minor voicing. So you're going to add your. I just leave my ring finger or my index finger there, but now you're going to add your middle finger here on the 10th fret of the B. Ring finger goes back to 11th fret of the D, and then pinky right underneath that on 11th fret of the G. All right. Now in this voicing, you're going to go, I think, 3 and 4 and So that's for 3 and 4 and So you're going to do down, up. 3 and 4 and So you got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and All right, then a little lead line, a little lead guitar line comes in that sounds like. Okay, so what I'm doing there is index finger starts on 9th fret of the D. Then you're going to go ring finger, 11th fret of the D. And you're going to do the same thing on the G, 9 to 11. All right, so you go. Then you're going to kind of wait and then slide your ring finger up to 13th fret of the G. So you go. All right, one more time. Now if you can't get that slide to give you much tone, you could probably pluck the string again, like that. All right, so right after that, 13th fret of the G, you go back to index finger, 9th fret of the D, ending on 11th fret of the D. So you got, then you're going to do it again. One more time. So that's the last piece. Index finger, 9th fret of the B, ring finger, 11th fret of the G, index finger, 9th fret of the G. All right. Then ring finger, 11th fret of the D, and you're going to climb back up to 9 and 11 of the G. So you've got. All right. So hopefully that helps you get a good start on this song. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.